Hey everybody, joining me from the red S4. We are doing the first road trip in this car for the season and first time out of the garage actually. Put it in last November maybe and really haven't started it or driven it since. Parked it with a full tank of fuel, fresh oil, and now I hopped in and I'm driving about 120 miles with it. So far so good. This thing's nice and smooth, no issues, and we just rolled over 210,000 miles on this car. But we're cruising southbound on I-35, headed towards northern Iowa in order to pick up something interesting. I'll show you that a little later. So I just want to show you how hazy this is. This is, I'm in North Iowa right now, and we've got all the smoke from the Canadian wildfires yet again this year. So it's incredible. It's worse here than it was in Minneapolis. So this is the little visitor for a bit. Variety of things we're going to do on this car as well. Cup bypass pipe for the exhaust. Couple, like just a new engine mat like underneath the rear deck. Replacing all the stereo components in here. Trying to stay factory looking, entirely factory looking. So new head unit, new speakers behind the factory grills and everything. Clean it up a little bit, and this is, in case you're wondering, it's a 91 Carrera 2 manual, midnight blue over linen, I believe the color is. It's kind of like a white leather, but yeah, so we're gonna probably see a little bit of this on the channel as well, which is, I guess, a little bit of bonus footage, I guess you could call it that. But first of all, I'm gonna tackle this thing so I can get it in and out of here and get my red car back. So for today's fun, we have a 1991 Porsche Carrera 2 964, and we're going to do a little quick exhaust modification. And when I say quick, I mean quick. This is the passenger side, well, US passenger side rear exhaust, and we've got a cup bypass pipe that we put in, and this is literally a 4-bolt affair. There's a couple of 13 mils, I believe, that go here, and then there's, of course, the clamps there and there. So you take that out and you put in the bypass pipe, which I'll show you now. And here we are under the car, and you can see I just reused the factory rings and clamps. Set this in place, kind of mock it up first, and make some lines just so you can kind of line things up, and you'll try to save yourself a little bit of time. But basically it's just a little elbow that replaces the formerly large exhaust muffler that was sitting right here. So you do that, get your pipe in place, and away you go. Okay, here we go. Let's see what it sounds like. Not half bad. So yeah, if you've got one of these, I would highly recommend that cup bypass pipe. That's super fast. I mean, it took me about an hour, honestly, just because I was trying to mess with the angles to get it back together and get the pipe in the right orientation. But, you know, if you're not doing it on the driveway, it'd probably be easier. So anyhow, super quick video, but there you go, a little bonus feature, non-Audi bonus feature.